Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 2nd of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for SPX based on the option chain for the expiry on the 6th of June and the week ending the 7th. So CE is the same, PE has gone down, so that's positive. Sorry, no, that's not right. That's negative. Now, the quantity is higher for PE, which is positive. The change is higher for CE, which is positive. The short squeeze is higher for CE, positive. PCR is now above 3.51, which is 2 overbought, so that's negative. Implied volatility is higher. Historical volatility is lower, so that's a negative and a positive. RSI has gone down, that's negative. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. EMAs are both up, that's 2 positives. VWAP and pivot points are both up, and I haven't filled this in. This value has not been filled in yet. Just give me a moment, I will fill this in. Sorry, the VWAP is 5,281, which is actually lower, so that's negative. Sorry. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. Candlestick is a hanging man, that's negative. So overall, the support is okay. This was a confusion last time as well. It's not necessarily support and resistance. It's just that on the put side, people expect that price is going to be higher than 5,325, or people say it's going to be lower than 5,300. Well, either way, the overall prediction is that trend is up. However, it is a pretty weak signal this week from the option chain. So thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.